Hey everyone, today I am telling you how you can make pineapple cucumber smoothie recipe. Cucumber contains 95% water content that can relieve dehydration and keep your hydrate for longer. Cucumber contains vitamin K which supports the formation of bones and it helps in weight loss as it is low in calories. Pineapple contains beta carotene which can help prevent respiratory issues like asthma. It also contains magnesium that regulates the metabolism of fat and carbohydrates in your body. Pineapple is rich in dietary fiber which help in weight loss. Here is a simple recipe to get you started. 1 cup chopped pineapple, half cup chopped cucumber, half cup plain yogurt and half cup water. Add all the ingredients into a mixture and blend well. Pour your smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. If you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.